kind of like to look at it and say that operators are really good in 364 of the 365 elements of senior housing, and the one thing that we do well is we focus on money, and over time we've learned a lot more about operations. So that was sort of how we kind of developed our strategy, sort of to complement their skill set. Generally for us, since we have such a wide and diverse group of operators that we know, that anywhere we go, we've got kind of a very strong group of operators that we can work with. For us, it's always important to have a lot of operators that function in a given market, just because of our style, because the operator is very, very important in the transaction, and for whatever reason, if they get off track, it's sometimes important to have someone else ready to kind of step in for them. You could never have financial success unless you have clinical success. You're never going to have clinical success if you don't have financial success. So we realized early on in our tenure in this world that it was really important to get a lot more familiar with sort of the whole clinical process. How to oversight, how to respond, what the process is, how to deal with these clinical challenges, what's important, what's not important, and then how important the relationship with the state regulators are, even in sort of the more regulation light, if you will, assisted living world. We're giving thought to our old strategies, which are more opportunistic. We're looking at some development deals, actually, which we never thought we'd do. We're actually looking at a major turnaround, but not that we would really raise some money for someone else. And we're kind of giving a lot of thought to how we can participate in this environment where your money needs to have a much lower return, which historically really hasn't been our kind of theme, if you will. So the good thing is there's a lot more investors that want to put their money in senior housing today. So there's a lot more different styles that you can have, and that we now, different than 10 years ago, we have a significant track record of success, so that we could at least start having different conversations with people that we could never have in the past.